What do you call cheese that's not yours?
Someone else's?
Nacho cheese!
Why are you so aggressive with
Nacho cheese! Everything is on the brink of going crazy when the kids come home from school.
It's almost as like they haven't eaten in years.
So the good thing with HelloFresh is you don't have to think about what you're cooking.
You just pick what you want for that week. There's so many recipes. Choose the ones that you think the family will love, and then you just click on those, and then it gets delivered. They're in the box.
What's in the box?
Get your hands out of the way.
We don't have to go to the supermarket. We don't have to think about what we're going to feed the kids.
They've measured the ingredients, and we just have to get it out the bag and go, go, go.
We have got halloumi and red onion skewers. Squeaky cheese.
Oh, that's what the kids call it, isn't it?
Right, do you want me to do the onions for you?
No, let's go in order of the instructions. Chop the potatoes 2 centimetres wide.
Is that 2 centimetres?
Not yet, it isn't.
It's like I look after the kids. Do you want a bit of salt on those potatoes? When you open the box and you get the ingredients out, they're of such a high quality, so you know you're giving your kids good food.
I am actually the one who works the most, so Joe does most of the cooking.
Excuse me?
There was this one time, I said, Joe, just warm me up a tin of soap, please. And all I heard was, Stace!
Someone's burnt a hole in the bottom of this pan.
It was like, the pan's leaking. There's a hole in the pan.
Then straight away I thought, oh no, it's a colander. And are you having this interview with me? Right, step 2 says you've got to soak your skewers in cold water.
Why are we soaking them in cold water?
To stop them from burning when they're in the cooker. Chuck it all in there. Add a bit of olive oil.
If it says put some oil on there, what you're hoping for is glug, glug. Glug?
Glug?
Oh my God, you're really confusing the glug.
You've done 4 glugs now.
We're halfway through.
We nearly had glugs of oil all over our kitchen. I think the kids are going to love this. I'll just stab myself.
We should get safety skewers for you.
The problem with cooking on your own is you've got to cook, and then you've got to tidy up the mess that you created cooking.
This is why we should cook together more. Look at the team we are.
I think the halloumi might be done.
Oh, I can smell it already. Can you smell that? Give me 5 seconds to dish up first. We do make quite a good team when we need a meal in a hurry.
All your hair just went in the mayonnaise.
Wipe it out, don't lick it out.
Look at that, man.
Oh my gosh, the halloumi was so yummy and crispy and easy to cook and delicious.
Really good. It's the best thing you've ever cooked. Kids, dinner!